So this is the JetKVM, a little tiny box that gives you full control of a computer, even when it's totally unresponsive. No OS, BIOS locked, hard drive dead, doesn't matter. This lets you see what's going on and take control all over the network. So in this video, we're going to do a simple unboxing. I'll show you what comes in the box, give you a close-up of what it looks like as far as the hardware, and share a few thoughts on where I think this could really shine. Stay tuned. So let's get inside the box and see what's in here. All right, so inside the box, you get the JetKVM itself, a solid, it's holy. So inside the box, you get the JetKVM itself. It's solid metal, surprisingly heavy for this size, and it feels really well made. I mean, this feels like you could toss at somebody's head and it would hurt. Let's see what else comes in here. All right. You also get a USB-C Y cable. This is a mini HDMI to HDMI cable. And then this is a standard USB-C to a USB-A cable. I mean, it's everything you need to hook it up to a PC and power it. So close up here into the front, we got a little IPS touchscreen, like a smartwatch that shows the IP address and connection status. Around back, you've got your Ethernet port, USB-C, mini HDMI input, and RJ11 expansion port. I mean, this is compact, clean, and clearly built with a purpose here. That's the unboxing, and in the next video, I'm going to be plugging this into my test rig and showing exactly what it could do, including remote BIOS access, OS installs, over the web, and even full remote power control. But first impressions, this is solid build, great presentation, and it looks like something designed by someone who actually has done IT work. If you ever had to fix a machine remotely and couldn't see what was happening, this might be exactly what you need. Subscribe if you want to see the full review. Thanks, guys.